So today on Aware 89, we have the lovely Anusha Fatma with us. She's co-founder of Trash It, the organization that she's going to be telling us all about.
Thank you so much for having me here today. I'm going to jump right into it.
Yeah.
So I'm Anusha Fatma. I did computer science from Habib University. And while I was studying, I started this initiative called Trash It. और फिर हमने उसको properly register कराया in 2018. So Trash It is a social enterprise that works in waste management and land regeneration. We specialize in organic waste collection and its composting. हमारी फैसिलिटी है यहाँ कराची में जहाँ पे डेली का हम 1 टन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं और उसको कंपोस्ट कर रहे हैं एंड बाय कंपोस्ट आई मीन वी आर टर्निंग इट इनटू अ नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर जो कि बहुत सारे लोग अभी यहाँ पे विद इन कराची हैव बिन परचेजिंग फ्रॉम अस टू यूज इन देयर गार्डन्स वी हैव अ फ्यू कॉर्पोरेट क्लाइंट्स हु हैव बिन बाइंग दिस कंपोस्ट एंड सम फार्मर्स एज वेल जो अपनी फील्ड्स पे compost use कर रहे हैं Trash It का because of the benefits it brings to the soil.
We're going to jump into composting because I have a lot of questions with regards to composting. So the only thing that I really know about composting, and I mean, I'm a lot more informed than a lot more people out there. I know about it because my nani composts at home. Awesome. She does it on a very small scale for her garden and for her plants and stuff. And it's always been there. I've always come home to the smelly compost that she puts together. And it's always been there, but I've never actually sat down and broken it down as a science as to how helpful it is, how the natural resources go back into the ground. I've never really had that discussion. So I'm so glad you're here because
now you're forced to listen to me.
Not forced, very excited and intrigued because now I can actually properly get to know and I can go home and tell her that I know what goes into all of this. And also everyone else out there listening. So for the sake of anyone out there who does not know what composting is, so sort of composting for dummies. Tell us all about
composting
it.
101.
Yeah.
So composting एक natural process है. ठीक है, नेचर में ये हो रहा है. एवरीथिंग दैट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम सॉइल बिकम्स सॉइल, ये भी हमें पता है. इट्स एग्जैक्टली दिस, राइट? जब हम ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट की बात करते हैं, सो दिस इज़ द वेस्ट दैट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड व्हेन एवर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग अ मील. छिलके रह गए पीछे, आपने अंडा खाया, अंडे का छिलका रह गया, चाय बनाई, चाय की पत्ती बच गई. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज़ नेचुरल एंड ये वापस से सॉइल में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है, बट नॉट बाई डिस्पोजिंग इट इन अ प्लास्टिक बैग एंड लाइक दैट. क्योंकि जब हम ऐसे फेंक देते हैं तो क्या होता है कि यही वो वेस्ट है जो डिकम्पोज तो होगा बट विल स्टार्ट रिलीजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ गैसेस. मीथेन रिलीज होगा इसमें से बिकॉज द कंडीशन इजंट आइडियल. ऑन द अदर हैंड स्टिंक भी करेगा, मच्छर भी आएंगे, मक्खियाँ भी आएंगी बिकॉज यू नो it's been placed like that, it's not disposed properly. But on the other hand, अगर आप इसको एक छोटे से सिंपल प्रोसेस से गुजारें तो इट कैन टर्न इनटू नरिशिंग सॉइल, क्योंकि उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स तो हैं उन चीज़ों में. जो छिलके हैं, जो फल हैं, जो भी सब कुछ सॉइल से आए केम, इट हैज़ दोज न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड बाय टर्निंग इट इनटू अ फर्टिलाइजर आप वो न्यूट्रिएंट साइक्लिंग भी कर रहे हो. दैट दोज न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर गोइंग बैक इनटू द सॉइल.
Okay, cool. So it's a very simple process, I'm assuming, where, like, I mean, I know from our perspective, we pick up all of this. Eggshells, peels, banana peels is something that we use a lot because my nani says potassium. And all of these things we pick up and then we put into a bucket. So how do you guys go about it?
You know, this is the first step. Getting the waste segregated.
Separating it.
Separate करना सबसे
So your natural waste is separated from your plastics and your bottles and all of that.
So in a household level, like आप जिस तरह कर रहे हो बिल्कुल ठीक है. Keep a bucket in your kitchen. That's the simplest thing that you can do. जब भी आप खाना बना रहे हो तो ये वाला जो waste है आप बस उस bucket में डालो. Don't add it into the usual bin. क्योंकि आप जब mix कर देते हो waste, all the waste goes together in one bin. You can't really extract out the organic from it. क्योंकि मैंने जैसे बताया, it will start smelling, it will start decomposing, start leaking. इसको separate रखें तो it's easier for recovery and usage, not just for organic,
right,
also for all the recyclable materials. हम Trash It में किस तरह करते हैं कि हम हमने सोर्सेज आइडेंटिफाई की हुई हैं जहाँ से हम ये प्योर फॉर्म में वेस्ट पिक करते हैं विदाउट एनी कंटामिनेशन. It's very important the source, the input of the compost is it's not contaminated, क्योंकि हम एंड में ऐसा फर्टिलाइजर बना रहे हैं जो बहुत ही अच्छा है फॉर द सॉइल एंड वी कैन रियली क्लेम दैट इट इज़ सो गुड जस्ट बिकॉज वी नो कि हमने इनपुट्स इसके बहुत अच्छे से स्ट्रीमलाइन किए हुए हैं.
Right. Okay. This organization that you co-founded, you and your partner.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's give them a shout out.
Of course, it's me and Rahul. We're both the two founders of Trash It, or we've been together from the very beginning of this journey.
Right. And how what was it? What was your light bulb moment that this is what I want to do? Did you wake up one day and you were like, I'm going to start my own company that deals specifically in waste management? Or was it something that happened to you, an experience that you were like, no, you know what? Somebody needs to do this, so I'm going to do it.
So it wasn't like just, I don't think it would be one moment. I think it was series of things that happened to me that led me to this. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं हमेशा से entrepreneur बनना चाहती थी या business start करना या even इस waste management में घुसना थी. Like a lot of people, I didn't care about it much. मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा इशू नहीं था उस वक्त. बट इट वॉज, आई थिंक आई वुड गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू माई यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन. उसमें आई टुक अ कोर्स इंसिडेंटली जिसमें हमने वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट को ही स्टडी करा था. वी वर लुकिंग एट द सिस्टम इन द नेबरहुड ऑफ वेस्ट एंड उसमें आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड वन थिंग दैट पॉप्ड अप वाज कंपोस्टिंग एंड हाउ अ लॉट ऑफ अदर कंट्रीज आर डूइंग दिस easily. And I was like, ये यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Why is it not here in Karachi? And then, I'd say कि उस कोर्स के बाद it was impossible for me to ignore waste.
Yeah.
जैसे पहले होता था.
Yeah.
मैं कम्यूट करी अपने शहर में and I was like, यार इधर भी कचरा है, इधर भी कचरा है, यहाँ पे भी जल रहा है.
You're absolutely right. On our daily commute to work, we're driving, we're not really looking right and left, we're not paying attention to certain things because they kind of go in the periphery.
हम immune भी हो गए हैं.
But when you watch a documentary or you see something on TV or somebody points something out or you're scrolling on your Instagram and some influencer has gone out and made a video, then you start seeing it everywhere.
Yeah.
So you're absolutely right.
So it was like impossible for me to ignore this waste issue. और उस वक्त में मैं सोच रही थी अब मैं क्या करूँ यार, what do I really bring forward? And there were 3 choices for me. Number 1 was go back to ignoring it, and just continue with life the way it is. The other option was कि who do I blame? Who do I find कि ये इशू मैं किसी तरह से बस किस पे मैं इसको पिन पॉइंट करूँ, दिस इज़ द पर्सन और दिस इज़ द एजेंसी जिसकी वजह से ये इशू है, या ये लोग हैं जो इस तरह फेंकते हैं कचरा. एंड देन द लास्ट वाज व्हाट इफ आई ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड अ सॉल्यूशन. And that was a spark for me, and I was like, okay, that's better.
Yeah.
Let's come forward with something interesting.
Right.
So I started to work on it. फिर मैं एक competition में गई in the ecosystem, startup ecosystem. That's where I met Rahul. It was so coincidental. And ये बहुत कम होता है कि आप कहीं पे किसी से मिलो, किसी stranger से,
Right.
and then you're like, this is the person, we just want to work on it together.
Right.
So that happened with me, and I'm so alhamdulillah so happy that he's still with me, and the team that we have built, the vision that we are working on, the sync that we have on the goal that we have overall jo my company ka, I'm quite happy about that I have a partner.
Right. Okay. Lovely. So what is the process that you guys, like, for example, if you work with a company,
Yeah.
what is the process that you guys go through?
Okay, so at a company level, there are multiple ways, multiple sources of organic waste.
Asking for our company also.
Oh, okay. So if you have a kitchen in your company
Yeah.
where meals are prepped, so I'm sure there's organic waste there. So that's one place we can look at to make sure that that's getting separated and वो composting के लिए redirect हो रहा है.
Right.
The other is if you're a food manufacturing business, of course you will have some sort of food waste जो आपकी manufacturing plants पे होगा. That's also something that can be composted and can be looked at. A scale different हो जाता है. There are multiple corporates जो हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, and they're working with us on 3 things. One is the awareness. So we help them with creating that awareness in the entire employee base, क्योंकि everybody needs to be involved in this and they need to know what is happening.
Right.
Number 2, हम वेस्ट कलेक्ट भी करते हैं और प्रोसेस करके फिर इन रिटर्न कॉम्पोस्ट देते हैं
Right.
टू द कंपनी टू यूज़ फॉर देयर गार्डन्स. नंबर 3, इफ़ दे हैव द कैपेसिटी और बहुत ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं है तो वाई कलेक्ट इट इवन, राइट? तो हम उनको एम्पावर कर देते हैं विद कंपोस्टिंग सेटअप्स एट देयर स्पेस ताकि वो खुद कंपोस्टिंग करें. एंड दिस आई एम सरप्राइज, इस पे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया है लोगों का.
Lovely.
Because we train their staff and in just 2 months they are fully equipped to continue composting at
And
their
I'm
own.
sure a lot of them with that knowledge can go home and do it in their homes as
Of
well.
course, yes,
Yeah.
a lot of people catch on this. और ये भी होता है जैसे आपने अपनी नानी का बताया, इस
Yeah.
तरह से a lot of people come up to me and say like, you know, my dad does it, my
Right.
mom does it, my
Right.
nana is so active.
Yeah.
This it's happening, but sometimes आपको consciously आप realize नहीं कर रहे होते कि आप भी आपकी family भी कर रही है.
We talked about this just before we started. We were talking about this, and I want to bring it up again. So, whenever we travel abroad, we see that unki society mein they have actually embedded the thought process. Like in their daily routines, they've embedded separating their trash.
Yes,
They've
yes.
embedded recyclable materials in one bin and natural ingredients in the other bin. And if you don't do it, they don't come and pick up your trash. So that's sort of like a danda also,
Yeah.
right? What is it that we can do here? Apart from, yes, you are leading the good fight and you're going to places and you're going and telling people that, look, you can do it. This is the right way of doing it and this is one way of doing it. But how can we do that on a bigger scale?
Okay, so I'll tell you about a service that we have that is called Trash on Wheels. हम हाउस होल्ड से भी कलेक्ट करते हैं वेस्ट और ऑब्वियसली बिजनेस से भी करते हैं, बट क्योंकि हाउस होल्ड से इंटरेस्ट आता है तो वी स्टार्ट टू डू दैट विद देम. और हम उनसे ऑर्गेनिक एंड रिसाइक्लेबल्स दोनों कलेक्ट करते हैं.
Right.
द चैलेंज जब हम कुछ लोगों को जब एजुकेट करते हैं, दे डोंट बिकम पार्ट ऑफ द सर्विस, दे कम फॉरवर्ड एंड दे से यार ओके आई एम सेपरेटिंग इट, बट यू नो माई कचरे वाला ही इज़ गोना पुट इट ऑल टुगेदर इन द सेम कार्ट
Yes.
और इन द सेम बिन, तो वो मुझे लगता है मेरा एफर्ट वेस्ट हो रहा है.
हाँ.
एंड राइट क्योंकि हमारे पास वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वो सिस्टम मिसिंग है.
Right.
क्योंकि जब हम बाहर की बात करते हैं और लोग ये सेग्रीगेट कर रहे होते हैं तो इट इज़ ऑल्सो बीइंग इंश्योर्ड
That it's going into separate places.
व्हीकल्स कम इन.
Yeah.
ग्रीन वेस्ट अलग व्हीकल कलेक्ट कर रही है एंड द रिमेनिंग वेस्ट इज बीइंग टेकन बाय अ डिफरेंट व्हीकल. दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस क्योंकि कंपोस्टिंग फैसिलिटी अलग होती है और रिसाइकलिंग के लिए सॉर्टिंग एंड वो चीज़ें अलग होती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये प्रोसेस इज डिफरेंट है.
Right.
And then when we talk about recyclable waste, so it's not like all the recyclable waste goes to one place. No, there are further categories. Plastics के अंदर भी further categories हैं. इसी तरह metal की categories हैं. इस तरह से different चीज़ों, paper की categories हैं. And each industry has its own specialized way of dealing with those kind of waste.
Absolutely. So the way I see it, it's a long time, long kind of journey for us to get there.
is.
But if we start at a small level and then slowly grow it, there is hope there.
You know, एक और चीज़ मैं ऐड करना चाहूँगी, जैसे आप अगर घर के लेवल पे सेग्रीगेशन स्टार्ट कर देना, दिस इज़ रियली द की एंड द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट.
Right.
बेशक ठीक है आप आगे आपका कचरा वाला शायद मिक्स कर रहा हो, लेकिन यू ऑल्सो नीड टू नो कि वो इसमें से काम की चीज़ें निकाल भी रहा है. एंड जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ ह्यूमन डिग्निटी, why do we want somebody to go through our mixed bag of trash
Right.
to take out that one plastic bottle?
Right.
हम अलग ही रख दें.
Right. Absolutely. No, 100%. I completely agree with you. And I feel like all the kids out there, because they're really paying attention now, because climate change is something that's a very real thing. And we are constantly, I mean, generations before us and also the rest of the world. I mean, look at the rest of the world. They're all adding to it. It's our actions that are
Yes.
leading to all of this happening. So if we can maybe reverse our actions or do something a little differently, and especially for the young kids out there, they should know about these little things that they can do from a home level.
बिल्कुल, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं. देयर आर मैनी स्मॉल स्टेप्स जो हम ले सकते हैं फ्रॉम अ हाउस होल्ड एंड इंडिविजुअल लेवल, एंड समटाइम्स वी फील लाइक कि वाई शुड वी बी डूइंग इट, बट उसका एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है इन द सर्कल इन द नेटवर्क दैट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ, राइट. हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे होते हैं, कभी कभार फैमिलीज़ को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे होते हैं टू टेक एक्शन.
Absolutely.
सो वी ऑल हैव दैट इन्फ्लुएंस अराउंड जिसको हमें टैप करना है, एंड स्टार्ट्स विद यू, राइट. स्टार्ट्स विद, एंड उससे भी और डीप करें तो इट स्टार्ट्स विद जस्ट अ विल टू बी मोर सस्टेनेबल, क्योंकि यही planet है, right? We only have this one planet and we are all sharing it. So we just have to be very mindful of how we are living on it.
Well, I would love for you to tell our friends out there what is that one goal that you wish to achieve with, you know, your this amazing venture that you've started, and where do you want to take it, and how do you want it to resonate with the people out there?
So we are working towards a very big goal of achieving zero waste and regenerating our land.
Right.
हमारा agriculture economy है. We have a lot of agriculture happening, a lot of farmer जो कि अपनी ज़मीन पे इस वक्त chemicals इस्तेमाल कर रहा है to make the food that we all eat.
Right.
We want to make sure कि ये चीज़ change हो, and the farmer reverts to non-chemical based inputs like compost, जो कि ज़मीन को दोबारा से जानदार बना देता है.
बिल्कुल.
Chemical की मिसाल, I think we talked about this and
Yeah.
I'll just bring that up. Chemical fertilizer और chemical pesticides की मिसाल इस तरह से है कि it's like a drug to the land, और आपको हर थोड़े टाइम में और ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत होती है to get the same productivity. वो ज़मीन की अपनी immunity ख़त्म कर देता है. When we are using chemical pesticides, it kills the biodiversity in the soil.
I mean, I love this perspective because, like we said, if you're taking a specific like pain medication, you're popping that pill, eventually your body gets so used to it that you need more and more of it.
Yeah.
This is the same thing. The chemicals for that land, it's the same thing. You have to keep dousing the land with more chemicals, and then andar se wo, it's finishing the land. But if it's natural ingredients, it would be better.
Yeah, of course. And so हमारा goal ये है कि हमने farmer को empower करना है to combat soil desertification and degradation using natural compost. अभी we hear so often कि farmer ने ज़मीन जला दी क्योंकि उसके लिए वही most economical way है of disposing the field. Sugar cane की जो फसल होती है.
Look at smog in Lahore.
Exactly, yes. It's stemming from here.
It's coming from that.
Yeah. So हम ही कह रहे हैं you don't have to burn it क्योंकि वही waste compost में turn किया जा सकता है. So our goal अभी inshallah for next year we're looking at starting 2 new facilities, one in Sindh, one in Punjab.
Lovely.
And we are working with the farmer. हम एग्री वेस्ट को सोर्स करेंगे इसके लिए और कंपोस्ट बनाएंगे और उस कंपोस्ट को वहीं विद इन द फार्मर सर्कल क्लस्टर हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे फॉर सो दैट दे गेट नॉलेज अबाउट दिस एंड वो अपनी फसल में ऑर्गेनिक मैटर को बढ़ाएं एंड ज़्यादा बेहतर पैदावार को भी हासिल करें. एंड overall, you know, when it's going to be natural, it will be more tastier, it will be more healthier, and will of course reach us eventually.
Absolutely. And also there's all these trends now, especially in the rest of the world, and now we're also kind of jumping onto that trend bandwagon of going the more natural route.
Yes.
Like everyone is going for organic. ठीक है, even if it's a trend, great. More and more people get to know about it, the more awareness there is of it, that you use natural resources, you use natural composting methods to give back to that soil and let that soil grow from those same minerals, natural minerals.
Yes.
So the more power to you guys to keep fighting the good fight and pushing forward with this.
Just to add on here, you know, a lot of the practices जो हमारी previous generations कर रही थी, they were very sustainable. और फिर एकदम से we started to look for convenience.
Yeah.
And now when we're talking
quick,
about
fast and easy.
Yes, quick, fast and easy. And अभी भी हम जब भी देखते हैं कि what is the individual action, तो वो convenient नहीं होगा हमारे लिए to opt for to carry our bottle, for example,
right,
or to carry our tote bag. It's not going to be easy,
right?
But we have to still do that क्योंकि you know, even the West is taking inspiration from the South about some of the things जो यहाँ पे हमारे culture में है. Reuse is a huge part of our culture. Reusing stuff and it's not there. वहाँ and repair is such a huge part. थोड़ा सा अगर हमारे कपड़े फट जाए तो हम सी देते हैं, right?
बिल्कुल.
We don't just throw them out.
बिल्कुल.
This is something that's very common here, लेकिन West में abroad it's not that easy or accessible even.
But now they're coming back to
they're
that.
coming back to
they're
it.
learning from that. You're absolutely right. So brilliant perspective on all of these things. I really enjoyed this. And so where can people find you?
Oh, okay.
And is there any way that they can help you with your cause?
Of course. So you can find us on our Facebook and Instagram. It's TrashItPK. Also our website, www.trashit.pk. And we have such amazing content coming around about how to get started with composting, घर पे कैसे करें. We don't want to be the only composting individuals. आप भी करें. We want to empower you.
Excellent.
So you will find lots of interesting things on our website, on our social media. You can reach out to us. अगर आप farmer हैं तो ज़रूर reach out to us. We would love to have our compost established at your farms. And how you can help us really is by being part of our mission. Aap, share about the work that we do in your circles. Help us get those kind of interesting introductions where we can, take things to a bigger scale. Because we need to go bigger and faster ताकि इसका impact हो.
Lovely. Thank you so much for coming in, being here, talking to us about this, teaching me so much.
Thank you.
So that I can go back home and tell my grandmother that what she's doing is right and she should keep doing it. And also telling me about your website, because now I'm actually going to go and read up on all of these things and tell other people about it.
Thank you so
because
much.
That's the way to do it. I think that's the way forward. I think that's where the hope lies. And I think if we have to make any kind of change for the world that we're living in, for the soil that we're eating off of, then we need to do that ourselves, and we need to take that first step ourselves. So thank you so much for making us aware of it, and also making it so easy for us to understand.
Thank you so much for having me, giving me this opportunity.
No, you are welcome back anytime. And also we would love to talk composting with you.
We should do a live composting session. कैसे करते हैं?
That would be amazing. That would be amazing. Okay, stay tuned for part 2 of a live composting session with our friends here from Trash It. Thank you.
Thank you.
Breathe Pakistan.
A Dawn Media initiative.
Let's weather the change
together.